So I'm making this silly little video to demonstrate that not all things are equal. If you look at these two pillar drills, this one and this newly acquired one here, which is actually older than the other one, they look very similar but they're quite different. Both Chinese, both made to the same design, both have very similar components. This new old one has a cast base and a cast table. This newer one, which I've had for a little while, has a pressed steel base and a pressed steel table. But listen. Rather different, aren't they? There's a lot less movement in the quill in this one than there is in this one. Thank you.